Struggling with automatic schedules that won't let you take control when you really need to? So, here's the thing about automatic schedules. They're supposed to make life easier, right? But sometimes they lock you into routines that just don't work for your day. If you want to override them temporarily, first check if your device or app has a manual override or temporary pause option. You'd be surprised how many do. It's just hidden in settings. If you can't find that, try creating a one-time exception by setting a new schedule for just the hours or days you want to change. Another trick is to use vacation mode if it's available. It usually stops all automatic actions until you turn it off again. And if none of those options exist, uninstalling and reinstalling the app sometimes resets your schedule, giving you a fresh start. Always remember to save any custom settings before doing that so you don't lose everything. Also, make sure your device's firmware or app is up to date because newer versions often improve schedule flexibility. Lastly, keep a backup plan ready by noting down your usual schedule manually so you can quickly restore it after the override. One of the biggest mistakes people make with automatic scheduling is assuming it can't be changed once set, leading to frustration when plans shift unexpectedly. The fix is to explore all settings deeply for temporary override features. Another issue is not updating the software regularly, which can prevent new override options from showing up. Just keep your apps and devices updated to avoid this. A third common problem is not backing up your original settings before trying to override. And if something goes wrong, you end up stuck, always jot down or screenshot your schedule before making changes so you can revert easily. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors get real work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills nearby.